What's going on, guys? Got some wiring issues going on here, so let me go ahead and explain things real quick. This is your constant 12 volts here. See that? You get your constant 12 right there. This here, you're not going to get anything because the switch isn't turned on. So you turn the switch on. Come back here. Boom. 12.5. Now, you got a wire that runs here and jumps it to here. This is also 11.5. Okay. So then, it's also jumped from here to here. So testing this, 11.5. Now what's supposed to happen is, you press this button. Once you press the button, voltage runs from here, goes to the starter. And see, the thing is, whenever I do that, okay, so I got that in there. You see there's nothing there. Press the starter button. I'm only getting 7.3 at that wire. Now another thing that I noticed as well is if I'm holding the starter button down, these jumped wires here start to burn. I don't know if you can see it, but it's smoking. Why would it be smoking like this?